Dear student, today we will see Mathematics Model Question Paper 2 of Madhyamik 2025. I have asked question like we do in Madhyamik. Now we will see the exam rules. First 15 minutes only for reading questions and remaining 3 hours for writing answers. Full marks 19 for regular candidates. Instruction of candidates: 1. Modest and appropriate answer will be given special value. 2. Marks may be dead in case of schooling, untidy and untidy handwriting. Direction for regular candidate: the question of group A, B, C and D will have to be answered. You can take note. Math answers are given below in comparison. Now we will see the group A question. Number 1. Choose the correct answer from the following questions. Question number 1. The population of a village increased by R% each year. If P be the population after n years, then population of n years ago was. Option A, P A1 plus R by 100 to the power minus n. B, P1 minus R by 100 into the power to the power minus n. Question number C, P into first bracket 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. Option D, none of these. 2. If each of radius of the base and highest of a cone be doubled, then the volume of it will be. Option A, 3 times. Option B, 4 times. Option C, 8 times. Option D, 8 times. Question number 3. If root over 7 plus 4 root 3, then the value of x minus 1 by x of is. Option A, 2. Option B, 2 root 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 2 minus root 3. Question number 4. The total interest of a principal in n years at the rate of simple interest of R% per annum is PNR by 25. The principal will be. Option A, rupees 2p. Option B, rupees 4p. Option C, rupees p by 2. Option D, rupees p by 4. Question number 5. The center of two concentric circle is O. A straight line intersects a circle at the points A and B, other circle at the points C and D. If AC is equal to 5 semi, then the length of BD is. Option A, 2.5 semi. Option B, 5 semi. Option C, 10 semi. Option D, none of this. Question number 6. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if angle A is equal to angle E is equal to 40 degree, AV is to ED is equal to AC is to AF, and angle F is equal to 65 degree, then the value of Angle B is option A 35 degree, option B 65 degree, option C 75 degree, option D 85 degree. Next question 2. Fill in the blanks. Any 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Each question marks 5. Question number 1. A isomorphic parallelogram is a dash figure. Question number 2. If some things are increased by fixed rate with respect to time, that is dash. Question number 3. If A is to 2 is equal to B is to 5 is equal to 6 to 8, then 50% of A is equal to 20% of B is equal to dash percent of C. Question number 4. The parameters of triangle ABC and triangle DEF are 37 and 87 respectively. Triangle ABC proportional by approx triangle DEF. Therefore BC and EF are corresponding side. If BC is equal to 9 semi, then EF is equal to dash semi. Five. If x proportional to y and x proportional to z, then x plus z proportional to dash. Question number 6. The number of surface of a solid homogeneous is dash. Next question number 3. Write true or false any 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Each question marks 5. Question number 1. The compound interest will be always less than simple interest for some money at fixed rate of interest for fixed time. Next question 2. Root over pi is a quadratic suit. Question number 3. If the ratio of curved surface area of two hemispheres is 4:9, the ratio of their longs of radii is 2:3. Question number 4. Without any other conditions in partnership business, if the capitals of all the partners are invested for different time periods, then such a business is called simple partnership business. Question number 5. X to the power cube y, comma y square, x square y square and x y to the cube are continued proportional. Question number 6. There are more than two tangents can be drawn to a circle parallel to a fixed line. Question number 4. Answer the following question any 10. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Each question marks 2. Question number 1. Determine the money for which monthly interest is ₹1 having the rate of simple interest of 5% per annum. Question number 2. The two circles with their centers at P and Q intersect each other at the point A and B. Through the point A, a straight line parallel to PQ intersect the two circles at the point C and D respectively. If PQ is equal to 5 cm, then determine the length of CD. Question number 3. If each edge of a cube is increased by 50%, then how much the total surface area of a cube will be intersect in percent, increased in percent. Question number 4. If a by 2 is equal to b by 3 is equal to c by 4 is equal to 2a minus 3b plus 4c by p, find the value of p. Question number 5. If a sum of money doubles itself at compound interest in n years, write in how many years will it become 4 times. Question number 6. AOB is a diameter of a circle. The point C lies on the circle. If angle OBC is equal to 60 degree, let us find the value of angle OCA. O is the center of the circle. Question number 7. If the highest of two right circular cylinder R is the ratio of 1:2 and parameter are in the ratio of 3:4, write the ratio of their volumes. Question number 8. If is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, write the value of x plus 1 by x. Question number 9. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle and AB is its diameter. If angle AOT is equal to 140 and angle CAB is equal to 50 degree, find the value of angles BED. The given figure is now. Question number 10. If the length of radius of a sphere is increased by 50%, write how much percent will be increased of its curved surface area. Question number 11. The total profit is ₹1,500 in a partnership business of 2 persons. If the capital of Rajiv is ₹6,000 and profit is ₹900, how much was the capital of Aftab? Question number 12. In the adjoint figure, if D perpendicular BC and A is to BD is equal to 6 to 5. Then let us write area of a triangle ADE proportional to is to area of triangle CDE. Given figure now. Now we will see the group B question. 5. Answer any two questions. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Each question marks 5. Question 1. Fatima Bibi deposit rupees 100 on the first day of every month in a monthly savings. Such in this way, she has deposit money for 1 year if the rate of simple interest 6% per annum. Then determine the amount she will get at the end of the year. Two. As a result of publicity on smoking, the number of smoking is decreased by 1/4% every year in comparison to 8 days previous years. If the number of smoking at present in a city is 33,750. Calculate the number of smokers in that city 3 years before. Question number 3. Purit Babu and Amina Bibi start a business by investing rupees 24,000 and rupees 300,000 respectively. At the beginning of a year, after 5 months, Purit Babu invest the capital of rupees 4,000 more. If the yearly profit was rupees 27,760, calculate the share of each of them. 6. Answer any two questions. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Each question marks 3. Question number 1. Solve 12x plus 70 by 3x plus 1 minus 2x minus 50 by x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 1 by 5. X naught is equal to minus 1 by 3 comma minus 7. Question number 3. 2. The speed of a boat in still water is 8 km per hour. If the boat can go 15 km down storm and 22 km up storms in 5 hours, then calculate the speed of the storm. Question number 3. If the two root of the coordinate equation 1 plus m square into x square plus 2m cx plus c square minus a square is equal to 0 are real and equal, then show that c square is equal to a square into a plus m square. 7. Answer any two questions. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. If each question marks 3. 1. If root over x square plus 3 root over x to the power 4 y square plus root over y square plus root 3 root over x square y to the power 4 is equal to a, then show that x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power 2 by 3. If is equal to 2 root over 24 by 3 root 3 plus root 2, then find the value of x plus root over 8 by x minus root over 8 plus x plus root over 12 by x minus root over 12. Question number 3. If x is equal to 1 plus root 2 plus root 3 and y is equal to 1 plus root 2 minus root 3, then find the value of x square plus 4xy plus y square by x plus y. Answer any one questions. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Each question marks 3. 1. If a square plus b square plus c square into x square plus y square plus z square is equal to ax plus by plus cz whole square, prove that a is to b is to c is equal to x is to y is to z. Question number 2. An agriculture cooperative society of village of Fashla was purchased a tractor. Previously 2,400 acres of land were cultivated by 25 workers in 36 days. Now half of the land can be calculated only by that tractor in 30 days. Now calculate by using the theory of variation the number of progress works equally with one tractor. 9. Answer any one questions. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Each question marks 5. 1. Proof that the opposite angle of a circle quadrilateral and supplementary. Question number 3. Proof that in any right angle triangle, if a perpendicular is drawn from right angle point on hypotenuse, then the two triangles on both sides of this perpendicular are similar and each of them is similar to original triangle. Question. Answer any one question. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Each question marks 3. 1. Proof that a cycle parallelogram is a rectangle. 2. If two chords AB and AD of the outer circle of two concentric circles touch the inner circles at the points P and Q respectively, then prove that PQ is equal to 1 by 2 BC. Answer any one questions. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Each question mark is 5. Question number 1. An isolated triangle whose length of the base is 5.2 cm and each of the equal side is 7 cm. Draw the triangle and it is circumcycle. Number 2. Draw a circle with a radius 2.8 cm. Take a point which OS at a distance of 7.5 cm. From the center, draw two tangents from the PT to the circle. Answer any 4 questions. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Each question marks 4. Question number 1. If 64 water-filled buckets of equal measure are taken out from a cubical water-filled tank, then 1/3 of water remains in the tank. If the length of 1/8 of the tank is 1.2 m, then calculate and write the quantity of water that can be held in each bucket. Question number 2. Height of a hollow right circle cylinder open at both ends is 2.8 meter. If length of inner diagram of the cylinder is 4.6 dcm and the cylinder is made up of 84.48 cubic dcm of iron, calculate the length of outer diagram of the cylinder. Question number 3. On the curved surface of the axis of a globe with the length of 14 cm, radius 2 circular holes are made, each of which has the length of radius 0.7 cm. Find the area of metal sheet surrounding it is curved surface. Question number 4. The cross section of a rectangular parallelepiped wooden log of 2 m. Length is a square and each of its side 40 dcm in length. If this log can be converted into a right circle log by wasting minimum amount of wood, then calculate what amount of wood in meter cube will be remained in it and what amount of wood in meter cube will be wasted. Question number 5. If the longest of base diameter and the highest of the solid hemispheres and a solid cone and equal, then find the ratio of their volumes and the ratio of their curved surface areas. Question number 6. 77 square meter triple is required to make a right circular conical tent. If the slant height of the tent is 7 meter, then calculate the base area of the tent. Now we will see answers. Math model question paper 1 English version are given in this channel. You can check. To the students of 2025 Madhyamik, your exam is good. Thank you.